Okay, so this one is a little bit different because the A is 1/3. So we'll deal with that in a second. I'm going to write, whoops, I'm not going to write that. Clear. 1/3. And then I have a plus 1. So now I need to think about, okay, well, if I have y equals A times the square root of x minus h plus k, but it doesn't say x minus h, it says x plus 1 right here. Then I have an x minus -1. Remember that if you subtract a negative, that means a plus. So this is the same as x plus 1. These two are the same. Okay, so that means that my h is -1 here, and that means that I have a translation left 1 unit. So as soon as I see that h is a negative number, remember that that's a translation to the left. I hope I'm pointing my my thumb the right way. Okay, the translation with the 7 is a little bit easier because I can see that k has to be negative. So k is also negative, and it's -7. So I'm going to have a translation down 7 units. Let's check this on Desmos really quick before we proceed. So I'm going to rewrite this right here. I have it typed in here. I don't want to turn that on yet because I just want to change this. So I'm going to change A to, I'm going to type 1/3 on purpose because that's just going to let me, pick it. And I know that fractions are a little bit hard to find on the number line sometimes. H said -1 is what we thought it was. And then K was -7 is what we thought it was. So now let's check that with this. And so again, our green graph matches our red graph. And we can see that we, number one, did it right and described the transformations correctly. But number two, the graphs match up. Okay. So really quick, we should probably say really quickly that this scale factor means it's a compression. Compression. Sorry about my writing with my mouse. Okay, so that's a compression, and that means that it's getting compressed down. So it's shrinking vertically.